Meaning of fanfare.
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 Fanfare. Fanfare refers to a loud and extravagant display, typically associated with celebration or announcement. It is often characterized by the blaring of trumpets or other brass instruments, as well as other prominent sounds and visual displays. When used in a celebratory context, fanfare can create an atmosphere of excitement and anticipation, helping to generate enthusiasm and build momentum. Similarly, in an announcement context, fanfare can signal the importance and significance of the news being shared, helping to capture the attention of the audience and emphasize the key points of the message.